All right, time now for better food. It's a familiar brand of milk you've probably seen at the store.
Did you know that Guida's Dairy has been producing milk in Connecticut since the 1800s?
I think 1886, is
Yes,
that right?
that's right.
Wow. Erin Vecsey from Guida's Dairy and Chef Tyler Anderson are here to tell us more about the company's history and to show us a delicious recipe. Hello people.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Great. So tell us a little bit about this collaboration. I think this is wonderful.
Yeah, so Guida's Dairy, through Milk Pep, has partnered with Tyler Anderson to help promote the local goodness of dairy in Connecticut, particularly Guida's dairy milk.
Particularly Guida's.
Yes.
Real dairy.
Yeah,
Real
wholesome,
dairy.
nutritious, creamy and delicious.
Creamy and delicious. And
Yes.
there are
Creamy and
advantages.
dreamy.
Creamy and dreamy.
I like that.
To say. And there are advantages to using real whole milk and other products like that over, some of the other products that are out there.
Yes, that's true. So, being in Connecticut for this long, we source locally through a very small radius around the plant. So everything that you're getting, essentially you're supporting your local dairy
Which is
farmers.
great.
Yes.
Which is terrific.
It's wonderful.
And I know you guys are big supporters of the community as well, so we'll see you at the Convoy of Caring for
Yes,
Food Share.
absolutely.
Which is
Can't
just
wait.
wonderful. And we love the perishable companies because they really help us feed some people, which is just
Yes.
great. All right, Tyler, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. So what are we making today?
So I was asked to make a recipe with one of my favorite ingredients, which is milk. We're a milk house. I was
love
raised
milk.
on milk.
I cannot have my cereal without milk. I have pretty much cereal every day.
Yeah,
What is
it's a
your
crucial
options?
ingredient. So the ultimate milk recipe or dairy recipe that I can think of is to make ricotta cheese. People think it's a difficult thing to make cheese at home. It's literally the easiest thing that you can do.
Really?
Yeah, it's so basic. So the recipe is 1 part milk, half a part heavy cream, 1/4 part buttermilk, and a little bit of lemon juice.
I never would have thought that.
Super simple. You put it all into a pot on simmer until the curds separate from the whey. And then once they separate, you strain it out. Right here, we have the ricotta that's strained out. We didn't want to take an hour on TV to make this. You're a busy guy, so I wanted to get done here. So what we have here is the ricotta curds separated from the whey down there.
No
We've
way.
added a little, yes, whey.
That's all you have to do?
curds and
Yes,
whey.
whey.
No
That's
way.
all you have to do.
Oh, see, I see what you did there. See
what I did there?
Yeah.
I was definitely expecting that one from you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
But what you end up with is just this delicious, so we've used Guida's milk, Guida's cream, and Guida's dairy milk, or Guida's buttermilk all in here, and you end up with this warm, delicious, like super creamy and dreamy ricotta cheese, a little bit of salt, and ricotta can be served with anything. So we're gonna serve it with some nice fresh summer tomatoes, a little bit of tarragon and balsamic vinegar. You can do it with peaches. I mean, you can put ricotta cheese on basically anything and it's delicious. So just a very simple home recipe. We have a variation of this salad at some of the restaurants. But I love it this time of year. Little balsamic on the tomatoes, little olive oil already on there. We pre-seasoned our tomatoes to start getting those juices out, and then very elegantly just dump the bowl of tomato onto there.
Isn't that beautiful?
Voila, ricotta and tomato.
Nice
Isn't that
chunk of
beautiful?
bread right there. And
How
it's
long does it
delicious.
take to make how long does it
You want it to go super slow, so you just want it to simmer. So about half an hour, depending on how big a batch you're making. At the restaurant, it takes us a little longer because we make these gargantuan batches. But this little thing in my little teapot here, just about half an hour.
Okay,
Wow.
that's it. Half an hour. Isn't that wonderful?
Can you imagine? To
No.
make ricotta, like I never knew it'd be that
I
easy and
I
fast.
just thought you bought it in the supermarket.
Well, you can do
So-
that too.
Yeah.
I mean,
you know.
you can make this tonight for dinner and serve it to your friends and family.
Erin, have you seen me cook?
Have you seen me cook?
Do you not cook? All right. So, no growth hormones,
No, none whatsoever.
which
Yeah.
is just fantastic. I love
Yeah,
the local product.
it's local, it's wholesome, it's pure milk. It's just 2 ingredients, milk and cream. That's
Milk
it.
and cream.
Yeah, that's
it's
the biggest
so
part.
simple.
You know what's in it, and we like to cook locally, and we like at the restaurants we use local product, and a good byproduct of it is that you are supporting a local producer, but ultimately, selfishly, from my point of view, local just tastes better.
Yeah, local
Right.
does taste
So the
better.
shorter the
Fresh.
distance, the better it tastes, and that's why we use the dairy from around here.
All right. Well, I guess we should just give it a try. 1886. Here we go. I can taste the history. Anna. Here. You got it.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's got a different
believe it's
texture
made
than
that.
ricotta. Yeah.
Wow.
It's incredible.
Is there? I do apologize. Is there lemon?
There's lemon in it, yeah. So it's
definitely-
dairy and lemon. Those are the only ingredients in the cheese.
That is
Is that
wonderful.
the acting agent that,
Yeah,
that separates?
It's the buttermilk and the lemon that help it separate from the whey.
Oh my God, that is wonderful. All right, well, thank you so much.
Fantastic.
We appreciate it.
Thanks for having us on.
Again, 1886. The history continues right here in Connecticut.
Yes.
We're just so happy to have you.
we are happy to be here as well and serving the community here.
Yeah, and any local supermarket.
Oh yeah, all the major retailers, even down to your local convenience store.
And Tyler, where can we go to see you?
We just opened a place in New Haven, so you can come to the Blake Hotel.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, come
Where,
by.
Where?
The Blake Hotel, the new one, downtown.
Okay.
So we have 2 restaurants there. Hi George, which is a great rooftop restaurant. I mean, I say great, but you know, you come make the call. And then Hamilton Park downstairs. We're also opening a pizza restaurant where you'll see this on the menu in Glastonbury in a couple weeks, and then Millwrights in Simsbury and Perone. I'm all over the place, and I'm at the mall.
You're at the mall.
Well, I'm at the mall. At the mall. I'm never at the restaurants. I'm just at the mall. Yeah. No, people don't think I'm there, but I'm there. You know, I'm just in the kitchen.
Well, we want to thank you, Erin, Tyler. Thank you so much. To learn more about Guida's, visit Guidas.com. Guida's Dairy is located on Park Street, in New Britain, Connecticut. And we thank you so much for being here.